DoubleTake Auto Spa in Fremont. Our work is done on this brand new BMW Z4 M40i, you guys. And this is our repeat customer. She's been coming to us for 13 years. So when she picked this baby up, she contacted us for our new car detailing service. So that's 100% hand wash, nice clay bar, quick polish. Then we top that off with a 1-year ceramic coating, because sometimes you think your new car doesn't need anything, but it does. Look at this. There's no way that the dealership had this vehicle looking this amazing. And then on the inside, it's a full interior detailing service, because you never know who has been driving the vehicle, how many people got in and out. So the interior has been cleaned, and then all the leather has been protected with our ceramic leather. So again, this is called our new car detailing service. So feel free to visit our website at dtautospa.com, or just give us a call at 510-472-4181 here at DoubleTake Auto Spa in Fremont. Thanks for watching, you guys, and have a wonderful day.